Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel Digital Architecture. Today we have a new video talking about the Archicad-Grasshopper live connection. My name is Saad and our topic today will be focused on the roofs and slabs. As you see here, we'll take like a little example that we will show how we can implement the roofs component in this live connection, so we can make some crazy shapes that's like hard to make directly from Archicad, and of course like fully parametric. So to start off, we'll talk about a little bit about the roofs and slab component. We find them here by design, as usual. You get the slab and the roof single plane, and what's like common between those two components that they all or both use the curve or surface, as long as it's the planar one. So if I select this surface that I have here, set one surface, this one. Now I can plug it in directly and it will be changed to a slab. The same thing can be happen with the curve also. I can select this curve, set one, I plug it to the roof, and it will also work. So both can be worked either way between slab and curve, even if it's like a surface here or a curve there. If I unplug those, I flip it, it still works. So as long as they are planar, that means by slab it should be not just planar but also flat on the surface. We know slabs in Archicad cannot be tilted, cannot have like a degree of rotation in the Z direction. So if I try to make it like this, it will give me the warning that this cannot be happen. It's not flat anymore, must be horizontal to the plane. So it cannot be work like this. But if I like take this curve now and I plug it to this roof, I will see I will get a roof directly in this way, because roofs can be 3D tilted as long as they are planar. So if I have another curve here, I can set this curve directly, set one, it's like slab. So it's like curve, not this. Set one curve, plug it in the slab, and it cannot be rotated in any way. It should always stay planar. And of course the roof must also stay planar, but not horizontal. So if I move the one point like this, it will break this planar curve. I need to split it to two different surfaces or roofs. So what I can do, actually I can remove one point and now I have 3-point surface. That means it's always planar no matter what. We see you always get a planar surface from 3 points. That's like a rule every architect should know. And from this we can actually design our roofs much easier than Archicad. You know, in Archicad we have to select a roof, we need to draw this line, the reference line that will make the rotation, and we have the degree, how many degrees we are rotating this roof, which like a little bit complex of someone drawing a non-typical roof. And from here, of course, we know we can add some setting. We can get like roof setting, which is here. We can connect it and change the material or the composite. So if I right click, I needed a basic roof, and I can change the building material so easily using the input parameter building material, and I can select from here whatever I want. It's aluminium, steel, it's like a timber structure like this. Now if we want to take this a little bit more advanced way, how we can implement this in using parametric design, we can use the Grasshopper, plug in the lunchbox, and we can choose make some panels and move them randomly in this Z space. So if I take this surface here that I have, set one surface, and then I use some panels, maybe the triangle panels C. I will take some triangle panels. Why? Because I have 3 points as one panel that I can manipulate and move some points inside it. So make some sliders for the U and V, And from here I will deconstruct those panels and we'll take the vertices. Now we see the vertices have 3 points everywhere, which is good. I will take 1 point only, so I can make list item. I take 1 from those 3 and I make slider. Let's make it max to 3, to 2, sorry, because I start by 0. Now I can select one of those points as a list item, and from here I can move this point in the Z direction, just like this. And now if I replace, when we now replace items, I take those vertices again. I will put this geometry in the place of this list item. Now I have replaced my point with the moved one, and from here I can actually draw a polygon. Let's draw a polyline that's closed, of course, to make surface which can be directly connected to the roof. And now I see I got those parametric triangles, and I can actually try moving different points. If the last point is moved, it's like the pyramids that we are getting here. And of course we can change the size or the amount of how many triangles we need if we are doing such structure. And to change the height, we make slider to the Z direction, and we can change the height of those. So we get much interesting way of doing those parametric shapes or roofs that we have now, and someone can try other combination from triangle like this one. You can get the surface U and V, and we connect the panels here, and so you get some other combination of different roofs. It's like fun project to do and to learn and see how we can implement roofs in the Archicad-Grasshopper live connection. I hope like this lesson it was clear and simple to explain, and if you like this lesson and want to see more tips and tricks on using the Archicad-Grasshopper live connection, subscribe to our channel and like the video, and if you have any question you can post in the comment below. I'll be there to answer it. See you, and thank you for watching this video.